a lot of times ace Bollywood actors are perceived as the best icons one can derive inspiration from. Which is maybe why when the likes of Imran Khan are seen going on the path well walked upon by his seniors, it doesn't surprise us. But if in case you thought this young lad is following the footsteps of his uncle and much acclaimed actor Aamir Khan, then you're wrong. For this time around it isn't Aamir, but his closest friend Salman Khan, who nephew Imran is keen on following. And by that, we mean Imran's latest collaboration for a sports event, a cyclothon that he would be participating in to generate charity money. Now, isn't that much like what Salman has done in the past by merging his passion for cycling with his love for raising charity towards being human? Let's hear it from Imran about this collaboration too.
The reason that I got associated with the cyclothon, tell you the truth, I haven't cycled in many years, not since those clips from Jojita that you saw. But when I was much younger, it was something that I did really enjoy a lot. I was always into the BMX style of cycling. I used to do the BMX tricks and things. Yeah, as you said, more of the youth cycling kind of thing. The major appeal for me here was the fact that this year they're supporting animal welfare. It's something that I've always done on a smaller scale or on a more personal scale in my own home. And it's something that I've been trying to get associated with on a larger scale for the last year or so. I felt that this was something that meant a lot to me, that I cared very deeply about. And I wanted to be able to try and help out on a larger scale. So when they explained that not only would I be raising awareness, I would also be raising money, that to me seemed like a good way to get involved and a way to actually to actually kind of get involved and, as they say, get your hands dirty. It's all very easy to talk about something and to do something in your own home, but to step out of your house and to get involved, to walk the talk, as it were, that is where it really counts.
Absolutely well done, Imran. From the nephew of Mr. Perfectionist and the fan of a rock star, we can only expect something as cool and sporty as this. With cameraman Puneet Rawat, this is Dipti Ranglani for Rajshri.com.